Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1015 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed at the best match and click on open to continue. So you can see a description box below, and under the description box you would be able to see a link that is being attached there. So please copy it, okay? The moment you have copied it, please paste it here at the Windows search bar under the Google Chrome browser. Press Ctrl V in the keyboard so that you would be able to paste it and click on enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So here at the mega folder, okay, we just have to wait until this requesting folder data would be finished before we can proceed. Now here at the mega folder, you can see three file that is being attached. And if you're using a 32-bit PC, then please proceed on the second. And if you're using a 64-bit, then proceed with this third. And if since I'm using a 64-bit PC, then I'm gonna selecting this third folder. Okay. So the moment you have selected that, you can see there a download option beside save to mega. Please click on it and go with download as a zip file. The moment you do it, eventually it will now start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this process will be finished before we can proceed. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it and go with this one. So click this folder icon to show it in folder. And eventually you would be redirected to this location where it is being placed or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to move that here to the desktop. So click on this cat icon, close the window as well as this. Please do a right click here to desktop and go with the spaced icon. Once you have successfully moved it here at the desktop, we need to proceed on the extracting of this zip file. So by that, please do a right click and you can click on extract all to extract it, or you can use the WinRAR tool and you can select on extract to HP LaserJet 1015. So once you do that, it will now start on the unzipping of this file. And once it is being successfully unzipped, okay, you can see it here. Please navigate to the start icon, do a right click and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. You just have to wait until it would be ready for you. And once it is being set, please navigate to the left side of that and select on Bluetooth and devices. So here the Bluetooth and devices, please scroll down and select on devices. And once you do that, please scroll down and locate for this option called More Devices and Printers to bring up a new window, which is Your Devices and Printers. So from here, please proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there add a printer. Please click on it. And the moment you do that, this window would show up. Here, please select on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on it and choose the add a local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on next and it allow you to choose an existing port. Now the catch is you need to select among of this USB ports. So it could be USB 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. So click on next and eventually it will show up this window where you can install the printer driver. Select on disk. Please click on use. And from here, you need to proceed at the left pane of that where you can see the desktop. Click on it and please scroll down and choose your HP LaserJet 1015. Double tap to it and please select on this. Double tapped, double tap once again, and it will show you your driver. So select the driver, click on open, and click on OK. So from here, you can see the HP LaserJet that you can use from. Okay. So all you need to do is you need to click on next and you can rename that into HP LaserJet. By the way, you can click this down arrow. I mean for backward arrow, sorry for that. And you can use among of these models that you'd like to go with. Okay? Anyway, they function similarly. Okay? So don't worry for that. Okay? So there are a bunch of HP LaserJet here. Okay, you can choose any of this. Okay, so no worries for that. So we just have to scroll up once again. Okay, okay, just select it first. Anyway, this functions similarly as what I have said earlier. Click on enter and you can rename that into HPLG space 1015 and click on next and it will now start on the installing of this printer. We just have to wait until the installation would be finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation process. By that, we just have to wait for a while until all of this would be successfully completed. Okay, click on OK. Go with next. Another printer or printer share with name already exists. Please use another name of the printer. So we just have to use another name of the printer. Okay. So we just have to name that HP LaserJet. Click on next. And it will now start on the installation. Click on next. Go with this set as the default if you would like to set it as your default. In my case, I'll just leave it unchecked. Go with finished, and here you go. You have just successfully installed it. So from that, you can now close the window as well as this, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.